riverfront views, boating, and I'm excited to take you on this tour of this beautiful home on the St. Clair River today. As you step into this home, you'll walk into a large living and dining area with plenty of windows overlooking the serene St. Clair River. Next, you'll find a beautifully updated kitchen featuring 2 islands, which overlooks the spacious living room, complete with a cozy gas fireplace and vaulted ceiling. Every room on the main floor offers a gorgeous water view. And whether you want to watch the ships go by, enjoy entertaining on this giant composite deck, or boating on the St. Clair River, this property truly has it all. As we continue upstairs, you'll discover 3 generously sized bedrooms, including an ensuite. Almost every room upstairs also boasts a stunning water view. Heading down to the basement, you'll find a large rec room, another gas fireplace, and beautiful views with a convenient walkout basement. Don't miss this chance to make this dream home yours today. Book your private showing and welcome home to the Blue Coast.